Are you looking to step up your natural hair routine this year? Well, I'm going to give you 5 reasons that you should consider incorporating steam treatments into your natural hair routine. Hey guys, Karen with Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and the owner of the Curl House Hair Restoration Collection. And today we are going to talk about the many benefits of steam treatments. But before I talk about that, let's talk about what's the difference between a treatment using steam and a treatment using a hooded dryer. In a nutshell, a steam treatment is moist heat, whereas using a hooded dryer is dry heat, which is why when you do your treatments using a hooded dryer, you have to put that plastic cap on your scalp to make sure that your hair has this moist environment. So in a nutshell, that's the difference between the 2 types of heat. All right, so let's talk about the first benefit of doing a steam treatment. That is, a steam treatment deeply nourishes your hair. So as I just said earlier, steam is using moist heat. So in other words, you have water that's being directly infused into your hair. So that moist heat also lifts up your hair cuticle so that whatever you put in your hair, if it's your conditioner, if it's your mask, if it's oils, whatever you're putting into the hair, that steam is helping it to infuse directly deeper into your hair shaft. And that is going to help create maximum moisture and hydration for your hair. And if you have low porosity hair, then you should definitely consider doing a steam treatment. Low porosity hair, that hair cuticle lies flat. So as a result, it's just more difficult for those with low porosity hair for their hair to actually absorb moisture. But if you do a steam treatment, infusing that water directly into your hair, allowing that cuticle layer to lift, and then putting your conditioner or mask in your hair for a deep steam treatment, your hair will thank you for it. The second reason you should consider steam treatments is that steam treatments increase your hair's elasticity. So elasticity is simply your hair's ability to stretch without breaking. So when you are infusing moisture in your hair, it helps make the hair more pliable. So more pliable hair, when you are styling your hair, it makes it less susceptible to breakage because it's more flexible and it's more pliable. And less breakage means more length retention. And did you know that you can also do a steam treatment before you shampoo your hair? And this is an excellent tip for those of you with high porosity hair, like this stuff right here. So why should you do a steam treatment before you wash your hair? You do a steam treatment before you wash your hair because it deeply cleanses your hair. If you have high porosity hair, you know we don't have any problems with our hair uptaking moisture. It uptakes it quickly because our cuticle layer is open and it releases it just as quickly. But not only does high porosity hair uptake water quickly, it also uptakes everything else, like the oils and the creams and the dirts and the debris. It uptakes everything. And a lot of times when you just do your regular cleanse, you may not remove all of that stuff from your hair. So if you do a steam treatment before you shampoo, that steam is going to help, again, lift up the cuticle even more to release some of that old grime that has settled into your hair strand. And not only is steaming good for the hair, it's good for the scalp too. Steaming your scalp actually improves and encourages hair growth because hair growth is all in the blood. When your hair follicle receives proper blood circulation, then the nutrients in your blood help to grow your hair. So when you are steaming your scalp, you are improving blood flow to your scalp. And when blood flow is improved to the scalp, then guess what? That encourages hair growth. Steaming the scalp is also necessary for removing the dead, built up skin cells. And that also improves blood flow and circulation to your scalp. And lastly, if you are dealing with dandruff or dry, itchy scalp, guess what? Steaming helps with that too. So steaming actually unclogs the pores and provides maximum hydration to the scalp. It has cleansing actions, and it helps keep your scalp pH or microbiome balanced. So maintaining scalp health with steaming, you can't beat it. Okay, I hope these benefits have encouraged you to incorporate steam treatments into your natural hair routine, but a note of caution, don't overdo it with steaming. Meaning do it at the frequency at which you would typically do your deep treatments using a hooded dryer, such as every 7 days or every 2 weeks. Don't overdo it with the steam treatments. I know your hair is going to feel fabulous after you do your steam treatment, but you can damage your hair if you do steam treatments too often. So again, I recommend once a week or every 2 weeks, but sometimes let your hair tell you how often it needs to be steamed. If you are looking to maximize hair growth and learn additional strategies for healthy hair growth and scalp care, I encourage you to join my Let's Get Growing program. Right now, you can sign up for the wait list so that you'll be notified when the program launches again. All right, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like the channel so that you do not miss a video. And until we talk again, stay back.